I forgot.
Okay, then how did you finish the assignment, right? Okay. It's quite simple, right? Huh? What?
I looked at W3 schools.
W school. Yeah, I do it. Here, right? No. If, okay, here. Okay. So look at the reference page is very important, right? I cannot tell all the knowledge to you guys during the class. Of course, right? Even I tell you guys, I forget. Now, how to do that? Always, right? Go to the reference pages and read and test practice by yourself, right? Or just Google. Okay. So here is currently tell you if a value is, or if a key is present in the dictionary, we're using if model in this dictionary, right? It's similar to the way how we check if item in a list, right? We're using keyword in. Okay, so now let's look at here. So if the key exists, which means what? We need to check if the key exists in a dictionary. Then we print out the book name. How we get the book name? Using the key. Otherwise, right, using inputs to take the book name from the user and update our global variable library. Oh, okay. If it's not existing, I'm gonna keep asking the book name, right? And after I get the book name, I insert it or update it into the dictionary. That's it. All right, let's look at the hit. That's the way how we use the input, okay? And that's way how we what? Check if a key is in the dictionary, okay? And how to add a new entry in the dictionary? Just using dictionary key and plus value, right? Plus value. Okay, now let's look at here. Hello, fellas.
Hi.
Hi, you are late.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. So don't, I can upload the video, okay, to the internet. Okay, I'm gonna send the link, right? To make sure you go back to watch the video by yourself, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so come back here. Okay, we already have the global variable library. We already have the function, right? So now let's define another function called task2. Okay, again, oh, we don't need actually task. We need task2 here. And you see here. No, we don't need it, right? We just need a while loop. As a while true, okay? The while true is create an infinite loop. What I do? I'm gonna ask. First, I'm gonna ask, hey, what is the book key you wanted to look, right? So I have a book key. I create a local variable, which gonna take the input from the user. Okay, please input your book key. Okay, make sure you put some like a colon and a format, a space, right? Look will be a little bit pretty. Okay. Okay. After I get to the book key, Victor, what should I do?
I think you have to like write something about like the key or something.
Okay.
Wait, not
I just
sure.
explained it, right? I just explained once you get the key from the input, right? We should print out the book name if key exists. If key exists, so how can we check if the key exists? Victor.
I don't know.
Okay. Nathan, how can I check if the key exists? Nathan?
Yeah.
How can I check? How can I write?
If the key exists, if book key.
Yeah. What?
In.
In.
Library.
Library.
Then,
okay, if it's in library, what are you gonna do? If it's in library, Nathan, what gonna do?
It's gonna give you the it's gonna return the book value.
Okay, here I just return the book name, right, which is value, right, directly. Okay, library book key. Victor, you get that?
I think so.
Okay, why I can using that? Right, it will not just give me error because I already checked if the book key was existing in the library. Okay. Oh, I actually don't have the. Oh, you know what? I should do like that, right? I said I should call the second function, right? So I should do like that. Okay. I call the second function, giving the book key, it will return the value of the key I print out. Okay, very good. Else, Victor, what's the meaning of else here?
If it isn't in library,
Is it existing in library or not existing in library?
I think it. I'm not sure.
No, here. If book key in library, so this branch means it is in the library. So when I say else,
it's not in library.
okay, very good. It's not in the library, right? So if it's not in the library, what am I gonna do?
Ask the user for a new key input.
Yeah, I need to ask for the user, right? Use input again. Said, hey, you can say the book key is not existing, right? Please import the book name. Okay, Victor, get that, right? I need to ask, hey, the key is not existing, but I can help you to add it. You tell me what's the book name, right? So it's gonna be the book name. Okay, after I get the book name, how can I do, Victor? How can I add a new key and value into the dictionary, Victor?
You could do define task book key.
Why have to define task?
Uh,
I just need a what? How can I insert a new item into the dictionary? I just
you
told you
could
that.
do.
Huh? I can do what?
You could do like your key and then those two dots and then your
Two dots. Okay, cool. Like this. Like this. Okay. Remember, right? Fellas, right? Remember. Dictionary. Okay. Fellas, you're there on Tuesday night, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a dictionary. I have a key and a value, right? And how can I get the value? I need to give a key, right? Square parenthesis, give a key, then I can get the value. But you can also change the value by using the key, right? This way, if you're gonna change the value, make it become a new value, right? If you put the key, which is not existing, right? Suppose you put a key which is not existing, it will actually add the key and the value into the dictionary, okay? So it will look like this. Okay, here, library is my dictionary. I put the key. What is the key? Focus on my key, right? Equals to what? Victor, equals to what? Victor, I have the key. Do I have the name? Book name?
yeah.
Yeah, I have the book name here, right? So what am I gonna do? You just make the key equals to book name. That's it,
Oh,
right? That's it. Now let's take a look at that, right? Let's take a look at this. So now if I run the code, it's gonna ask you what's the key book, right? Okay, I'm gonna put a 1, 2, 3. Oh, right? What do you see? It's actually return me the existing book name for the given key, right? What happened if I put something which is not existing? Right? It's gonna tell you, hey, the book is not existing. Please input the correct book name. So I give him the book name, my new book. Press enter. Okay. When I press enter, what happened is this dictionary has been updated by adding the new key and value. Now let's try testing this, right? I parsing this key. You print out the correct book name. You get that, Victor?
Yes.
Okay. So fellas, right? You come late. Okay, let me explain again. Okay, for the second and the third task assignment. Okay. First, you need to create a dictionary. So make sure you're using correct syntax to create a dictionary. Dictionary consists a multiple pair of key and value. Okay, key and value, and they are separated by colon. Okay, and for each pair, don't forget the comma, right, between each pair. But we don't need a comma for the last pair. Okay. Now I have created a dictionary. For the task 2, I need you to create a function. The function gonna take the key and it will just return, right, what the value from the key, right? So here I just return for the dictionary and pass in the key. That's it. So that is the answer for the second task. The third task is based on the second one, right? I create an infinite loop while true. I'm gonna first ask, right, from the user, say, hey, please input your book key. Which book you want to look for, right? And they give me the book key. And I gotta check, right, if the key is existing in the dictionary, right? So I'm using if key in the dictionary. So if this condition true, I just print out the, I call the function, right? I call the function, pass in the key, this will gonna return the value. I just print out directly. Okay, if else, right? Else means the book key is not in the library. Okay, what I'm supposed to do, I ask the book name, right? And then I update the new key and the new book into the dictionary. And the same is infinite loop. It will come back to the book key again. Okay, so ask for the next one. That's it. Okay, Victor, Felix, right? Louis, you guys have any questions?
No.
No? Okay, so I hope you guys can go back, okay, and really to try typing the code, okay? Okay, try to type in the code, okay, as much as you can, right? Don't afraid to make any mistakes. If any question, right, ask me, or maybe we can have a call, okay? But please, okay, try it out, okay? The code is not complicated, right? Again, if you have any concept confusion, right, always go to the reference link I give to you guys, right, in the assignment, right? Go back to the reference page, okay, to read about, hey, what is the list, what is the set, what's the dictionary, right? How can I use the dictionary? It's all here. You just need to spend time on that, okay? Not difficult. Clear? Any more questions?
Yeah.
Okay, so if no more questions, then that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to finish your homework, right? And I would rather you to start early, okay? Don't wait to the last minute, okay? Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.